Hello, my name's Steve. I'm a CSW. A CSW is a communication support worker working in education, supporting deaf students with translation from English to BSL or BSL back into English. I've been working as a CSW for approximately 15 years. A typical day for a CSW, if there is a typical day, every day varies, the sort of things you could be doing, you could be translating for a lecturer, you could be voicing over for a student, you could be doing note taking, modifying English, written English. The job is so varied, there's not really a typical day. If a course related term crops up, the student is expected to know that. So first of all you'd finger spell it, then you'd clarify the meaning maybe if the student wasn't sure, then you would maybe agree a sign, make one up. I think the biggest challenge as a CSW is if there's multiple conversations going on at the same time, it's really difficult to pick out one that's relevant and translate that. It's also difficult if lecturers wander off topic, which they frequently do. Ideally you need BSL level 3, you also need communication support worker level 3, and you need to have fairly good standards of English and maths. Depending on their starting point, if they know nothing, an absolute minimum would be 3 years. Ideally a little bit longer. You need to be fluent with BSL, really. I would say focus on your BSL skills, spend as much time talking to deaf people as you can, build your vocabulary. I would say the biggest perk to the job, working in education as a whole, is you're helping people access education and you see students walk away with some really good qualifications. Also I suppose working in education you get someone off. That's quite a nice perk.